Hey guys,
Hi.
this tall building. It's one of the most luxurious places we've ever stayed at, and it's incredibly cheap. Like, you guys would not believe how cheap this place is. I want to show you all the different places here, our room, the gym, the different common rooms, the pool, and everything, and it's pretty sweet. I want you guys to guess how much that this costs per month, and then I'll tell you how much it costs, and I don't think you'll believe it. So let's go. Come on. This is where people come to hang out, chill, use the air conditioning. There's a bunch of different rooms here, so we're gonna show you all the different rooms, all the different cool things that they have here. So here we are. We got a bunch of tables. There's Wi-Fi in here, but sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to use your data. But it's always quiet in here, so you can get work done and focus. All these places are really quiet. It's the yoga room, but for us, it's the salsa dancing room. Golf simulator. Haven't used this either because one, my arm's broken, and two, I suck at golf. No idea how this works, but it's an option. So, next room is the pool room. If you're a pool person. If you have kiddos, this is where they come to play. Very nice, very fun. So that is the clubhouse. Now we're gonna go up to our bedroom, then the gym, then the infinity pool that has a view of the entire city. Alright, so that was the clubhouse in this first building. And now we're going over to the second building, where our apartment is way up there, and there's a bunch of other cool stuff we're going to show you.
There's a nice restaurant. Cheap. Not very cheap, but
It's nice. Yeah, it's nice because we don't even have to leave the apartment if we want to get lunch. Otherwise, there's some food spots across the street, maybe a 5-minute walk from here.
the best thing I have ever seen is having your own mini market at your house. It's open 24 hours.
Super convenient, but on the other hand, it's a bad thing because it's so tempting to come here and eat ice cream every day because it's so close. Our very own 7-Eleven, just for us. And our favorite 7-Eleven lady. Alright, now let's go up to the family pool, pool number 1. Have to take our shoes off everywhere to maintain cleanliness. These pools are super refreshing because it gets hot and sticky here. Ah, I didn't know this one had a nice view too. Look at that. This is the pool, the kid-friendly pool. There's another pool upstairs on the top floor that is for adults only, I think. Perfect place to relax, and if you need to come here and get work done and just want to focus on work and not have to leave because we pretty much have everything here. It's a perfect place. Very tall building. 360 view of the whole entire city. Looks like they're doing some construction here though. And this is where we're going next, to the infinity pool. Look at that. These are the stairs that Diane likes to run up and down 10 times per day.
41 floors, look at it.
My turn? Let's try. Authenticated. Look at that ugly mug. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Floor number 1 of the gym. So we have all the bikes and stuff here. You have a nice view of the city while you're exercising. You can see the pool outside from there. This place is always squeaky clean. The whole place is clean. I don't know if it's because of the virus stuff going around or if they're just super meticulous here. That's why they have so many rules where you take off your shoes and you can't eat in different places, but it makes it so this place is super, super clean. So here's more bikes. Here's more views while you're exercising. They have some lockers here. There's the pool out there. It's actually a really clear day today. Some days where it's more pollution, you can't see quite as far, but today it's a super clear day, so you can see all the buildings way up in the distance. Here's the free weight section. There's good selection of weight here. I'm actually pretty impressed. Normally, these types of apartment buildings, they just have the basics, but this pretty much has everything you need here. And if you need more space, you can go to the yoga room in the other building that we already went to. And yeah, the only problem is I haven't been able to do much with this stupid arm. Oh, look at, here's a train passing down there. SkyTrain. So the last stop of the day is going to be our apartment. Let's see the damage that we did at the food tour that we took yesterday over in Chinatown.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm a little bit scared. No, don't show, Mitch.
What?
No, we'll just chalk it up to I'm fat.
Nice. So this is the living room.
Yeah, welcome to our humble apartment.
This is a small desk. Mitchell works every day.
TV, smart TV with Netflix, and we just hook it up to our computer and watch Netflix here. This is the master suite bedroom.
It's comfy bed.
It's a comfortable bed. The only problem with this place is the sun is coming directly in, so it's always really hot and stuffy, so we have to have the air conditioning running all the time, so I'm a little bit scared how much the air conditioning is going to cost. But here we have lots of storage. You don't want to look in there because it's dirty. And here's the kitchen. Not the best kitchen for cooking,
No.
I'll admit. Diane hates it in here.
I hate you.
But for the basics, it's okay. Fridge. Here's some mangoes we picked up from the market earlier today. And out here we have a tiny little balcony with our washing machine and air conditioner, but we normally keep these doors closed because sometimes the pollution is pretty bad. And then here is the cleanest the bathroom has ever been in the past month. You don't want to see what it looks like normally.
It's your fault.
Just your typical bathroom, nothing to see here. Alright, so there you have it. How much do you think this place costs us per month? I'll tell you how much. We pay around $480 per month, but I just looked it up on Airbnb for a couple months in the future, and they have it published at only $390 a month for this crazy fancy place. When I think about when I used to live back in the US, I mean $390 would barely cover my cell phone bill and gas for my car. It's crazy. And here with the gym, with the office space, with the beautiful views, the workout space, you have everything you need here to have a comfortable life and work nicely, and the rest of the cost of living in Bangkok is pretty cheap as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos of apartments that we go to in the future, other tours, make sure to subscribe to our channel below and like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions and we'll be sure to answer it. And make sure to check out the Project Untethered blog. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I don't talk like that.
Yo hablo muy duro en español.
Of course not. First time I met you, I thought you were gay.
What?